Mordecai! Mordecai! Oh, there you are. You want half of this grilled cheese?
Whoa! Is that a grilled cheese deluxe from Cheezers?
Yes, it is.
Then yes. Ow! How did you manage this?
I bought it with money.
Nice. Hey, you know what would go good with these sandwiches? Funny internet videos.
Hey, welcome back everyone. So yeah, you read the title, it's happening. I've got my ingredients out, like my stick of butter. This is going to be one cheesy sandwich, you guys, and if I could just get the base, it would be perfect. So here we go. Here we have our main ingredients, the 4 ingredients: Colby Jack, yellow egg, cheddar, and imported Swiss. And some original white bread, but feel free to grab whatever bread you have. So let's play the music. So get a large saute pan and put it on a medium-low heat, or medium heat, and then add 1 tablespoon of butter, and then wait until it melts, and spread some mayonnaise to your bread. It helps the toast gain its clear and crunchiness and good coloration to the bread. So make sure that the mayonnaise is face down and start spreading it like that movie in Chef. Start spreading that bread like you're skating on ice. Keep doing that for less than 2 minutes, and then put in your cheese. Add in your yellow American, 2 yellow Americans, your 2 Colby Jack cheese, and then your cheddar, your yellow cheddar, and your imported Swiss. And then wait for at least a minute until they start to melt a little bit. Now get your spatula, get your 3 fingers, to let it stay, and then boom. Yeah, you can see right now it's not really cooked. The other top left, but don't worry, it's going to be cooked, I promise. So after that's cooking for a little while, I put it back up. And yeah, it's a little bit dark, but don't worry, it won't bother the taste. So I'm going to check the back. It's perfect. So I'm going to bring my plate, and you have your grilled cheese deluxe.
Now for this, I'm kind of interested in more in the cross section.
I'm going to show you guys how cheesy this sandwich is. It's going to look so good and satisfying. Oh, it's like looking inside of one of those commercials. See, look how stringy it is. And wait until you get a taste of this. It's so cheesy. So now I'm going to assemble the olives, toothpicks, and voila! You got your grilled cheese deluxe from Regular Show. And this is the perfect spot that I got it from. And there's like hundreds of people who are doing their own creation of trying to copy off of the grilled cheese deluxe. But yeah, that's the best that I can make out of it. It's beautiful. Wait until I get to have a bite of it. And now I'm just moving it to a different angle.
I'm actually going to try this. Okay? I'm actually going to try this. So good. Listen to the crunch of this. Oh my god. So good. Listen carefully. It's a good crunch.
Then sooner or later, I gave my little sample to my dog. He thought it was good.
so good. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and check out some of these other cool videos in which sure you'll like. My goodness, it's so stringy. Ooh.